Washington homeowners know that the weather can change quickly. From heavy rain and damp conditions to chilly winters and warm summer afternoons, your home's exterior must be prepared to handle a wide range of elements. Patio doors, in particular, face constant exposure to moisture, wind, and temperature shifts. That's why choosing weather-resistant patio doors built specifically for Washington conditions is so important. If your current patio doors are drafty, difficult to operate, or showing signs of wear, upgrading to a modern, weather-resistant option can dramatically improve comfort, protection, and long-term durability. Designed to handle frequent rain, Washington's rainy seasons require patio doors that can effectively block water infiltration. Weather-resistant patio doors are built with advanced sealing systems that prevent wind-driven rain from entering your home. Key features include multi-layer weather-stripping compression seals for hinged doors, interlocking meeting rails on sliding doors, durable bottom thresholds with drainage systems. These components work together to create a tight barrier that keeps water outside, protecting your flooring, walls, and interior finishes from moisture damage. Strong frames that resist warping, moisture, and temperature fluctuations can cause certain door materials to swell, warp, or deteriorate over time. Modern weather-resistant patio doors are typically constructed from durable materials such as vinyl with multi-chamber insulation, fiberglass with reinforced cores, thermally broken aluminum frames. These materials resist expansion and contraction, helping your patio doors maintain a proper seal year-round, even during Washington's damp winters and mild summer heat. Energy-efficient glass for year-round comfort. In addition to rain and moisture, Washington homes also experience seasonal temperature changes. Energy-efficient patio doors are equipped with insulated glass packages that help regulate indoor temperatures. Look for features such as double or triple pane glass, low E, low emissivity coatings. Argon gas fills between panes. Low E coatings reflect heat back inside during colder months and reduce unwanted heat gain in summer. This keeps your home more comfortable while lowering heating and cooling costs. Wind resistance and structural stability. Stormy weather and gusty winds are part of life in many Washington neighborhoods. Weather-resistant patio doors are engineered with reinforced frames and secure locking systems to withstand strong wind pressure. Multi-point locking mechanisms provide added stability, securing the door at multiple points along the frame. This not only improves security but also strengthens the door against wind stress. Improved insulation against drafts. Drafts are one of the most common complaints with older patio doors. Gaps and worn seals allow cold air to seep inside, making rooms near the patio uncomfortable. Modern weather-resistant patio doors are designed with tight-fitting seals and advanced insulation to eliminate drafts. Professional installation ensures the frame is properly leveled and sealed, preventing air leaks that reduce efficiency. In Washington's cooler months, this can make a noticeable difference in comfort. Low maintenance performance. Washington's damp climate can accelerate wear and tear on exterior materials. Weather-resistant patio doors are built to minimize maintenance requirements. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist moisture damage, peeling, and corrosion. Unlike traditional wood doors, they do not require frequent painting or sealing to maintain their appearance. This durability makes them an excellent long-term investment for busy households. Enhancing indoor-outdoor living. Patio doors are more than just functional. They create a seamless connection between your home and outdoor spaces. Weather-resistant designs allow you to enjoy natural light and scenic views without worrying about leaks or drafts. Whether you choose sliding patio doors or hinged French-style doors, modern options offer smooth operation and dependable performance in all seasons. Built for Washington homes, weather-resistant patio doors are specifically engineered to handle the moisture, wind, and temperature variations common in Washington. By combining durable materials, energy-efficient glass, and professional installation, these doors deliver long-lasting performance and reliable protection. For Washington homeowners seeking comfort, durability, and peace of mind, upgrading to weather-resistant patio doors is a smart and practical investment. one that keeps your home protected and comfortable year-round.